Okay friends, welcome back to my channel. Ruby here. So today we are going to talk about this shampoo and conditioner that I am thinking about trying in my hair. So this shampoo and conditioner, some people take biotin. I did try biotin years ago. I don't know if it worked for me. I did stop taking it. I also remember there was time when I do try that these two products, I just bought them. I pay like 40 something dollars for these two small bottle of hair product. This one have 8 fluid ounces and this one also have 8 fluid ounces. So this is the biotin conditioner revitalizing, and this is the biotin shampoo. I always like to buy the shampoo and the conditioner for my hair, so when I'm not just using the shampoo alone and I don't use the conditioner. I like to do that. If one is done, then I end up repurchase the other one to match it. So this is the biotin and shampoo here, and it said it made with volume, biotin and rosemary for fuller looking hair. This one I bought these on Amazon. This one have about 20,000 something views. I'm not yeah. And then the conditioner also bought it there. It's a little bit on the pricey side for the bottle that I got from them. It said here, let's see, for best for fine hair. Now if your hair is fine, this is something that they said you could use to help improve the thickness of your hair, and that's why I bought it. They say it's very moisturizing condition, and it infused with shea butter, argan oil, and it's nutritious rich, vitamin B and more for hydrating and volume hair. So I am willing to try this out. I need to see if it does work. After taking out my twist, this is what I'm going to use in my hair for now to see how it does work in my hair. As I said, I like to try product in my hair before I can give any review on it. I don't like to just come out and give a review and don't know if the product does work. But as I said, the shampoo alone got 20,000 reviews. Sometimes I like to, when I'm buying a product, I go on the review to see if the review works. You have some good review about the shampoo and then not so good about it. The condition have less review. So I am taking these two together. Yeah, I'm taking these two together for my hair, and I'm going to show you how they do, how it is. I haven't used it as yet. I just got them the other day, which because I have it, you can see the top is on it, and because, oh wow, and because I have in my braid, my twist, I haven't tried to use it. So this is how the shampoo, this is what the condition. I hate when condition is so thick in the bottle. This is how the condition is, you guys. I don't like when condition is very thick in the bottle, but it feel a bit let's see. I think this will give my hair some moisture because it had this slipperish texture towards it here. And then let's see the shampoo. That's the conditioner. Let's see the shampoo, how it also is, because as I said, I haven't really used any of it. I just picked it up. Okay, and this one also have see, it look a bit, and you know when you put product in your hair you get that slippery feeling to the hair, give your hair that slip. That's how it is. So these are the two products that I am willing to try out very soon in my hair to see if they does work, and then I can give my review and my thought about these. And I just want to say God bless you, stay beautiful as always, take care of yourself, love each other, you guys, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye for now.